Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to allow tracking for TesterUp on an iPhone. Let's get started. Allowing tracking is very important on TesterUp. If tracking is not allowed, your tasks may not be recorded and you may not get paid. First, only click icon and open the Settings app on your phone. Now scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Inside Privacy and Security, tap Tracking. At the top, make sure Allow apps to request to track is turned on. If this is off, apps like TesterUp cannot ask for tracking permission. Now scroll down the list of apps, find TesterUp, tap the switch next to TesterUp to turn it on. When it turns green, tracking is allowed. Now close Settings and open the TesterUp app and make sure you are logged into your account. The app can now properly track your tasks and offers. This helps make sure your work is continued correctly. And that's it. All of tracking helps TesterUp track completed tasks, confirm install and actions, and pay you correctly. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.